Hey there, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable the focus filter, Do Not Disturb, with the Turn Off the Lights for Desktop Mac app. This feature lets you automatically dim your screen when you switch to a specific focus mode, like work or interview mode, on macOS. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Turn Off the Lights for Desktop app installed on your Mac. If you have not installed it yet, you can download it from the official website or the Mac App Store. First, click on the On System Settings. Then, scroll down and select Focus. Here, you will see different focus modes like Work, Personal, or Interview. If you do not have one set up yet, click the plus button to create a new focus mode and name it. Now, select the focus mode you want to use, for example, Interview mode. Then, scroll down and click Add Filter under Focus Filters. Choose App Filter and select Turn Off the Lights for Desktop from the list. Click the blue Add button to apply the filter and close the window. Now, let us test it. Open the Apple Control Center and enable Interview mode. Once activated, your screen will automatically dim, creating a distraction-free environment. When you disable Focus mode, the Turn Off the Lights for Desktop Mac app will automatically restore to its previous settings and status. Of course, you can customize the color, opacity, and lighting to match your preference. Simply click on the selection box here, where you can choose from Lights Off, Lights On, or Custom. If you select Custom, you will have the option to enable or disable the lights, set your desired opacity value, and enter a hex color for the dimming layer. For example, let us change the dimming color to blue by entering its hex value and setting the opacity to 20. Now, when you enable Interview mode, you will see that it applies your selected preferences automatically. Your screen will automatically dim, creating a distraction-free environment. And that is it. Now, your Mac will seamlessly adjust your screen dimming based on your focus mode. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tutorials. See you in the next one.